Okay, so our live show will begin now. I'm today's host, Bella. First, it's still my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of laser and CNC equipment since 1995. Till now, we have more than 20 years history in the laser field. And our main products including the laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, etc. So in total more than 20 series and 300 types. All of our machines have got CE, ISO, RoHS certificate and are certified by the International Inspection Institute such as TÜV and SGS. And we have got 63 national patents. The core technical achievement can reach the international professional level. As the result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries and areas all over the world, including Germany, Japan, Russia, Korea, Brazil, UAE, and many other countries. And we have enjoyed very good reputations and feedbacks from all of our customers. And how can we do such a great job? Because we have a very talented team. 95% of our teammates are bachelor or master degree, so we can provide 24 hours. We can provide 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after sales service to all of our customers. And our goal is very simple: to sell the high valued products at a very good price and also provide the reliable and faithful customer service to all of our customers. And so everybody, hello, welcome to our live show. So today I'm going to introduce mainly our fiber laser cutting machines for all of you. Okay, so now let's get started. At first, so everybody, you can see this is our company gate, yeah, and with the okay, and also this is the company building. So my dear friend, welcome to visit our company anytime at your convenience. Okay, hello, my dear friend, welcome. Yeah, so today I'm going to introduce our fiber laser cutting machines. Yeah, or mainly those 4 machines for you. Okay, so my dear friend, during the live show time, so if you are interested in our products or if you have any of your inquiry or questions about the products, so you can tell me and you can send me end of your message so that we can discuss together. And so my dear friend, if you contact us in today's live show, I will provide you a very good discount for you. So if you contact us in today's live show, later when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. And well, if you order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. Okay, so this is a very good chance for you to save a lot of money. Okay, and also in today's live show, I can also provide you a very good warranty time. So the warranty time will be 24 months. Yeah, so that is absolutely 2 years. Yeah, since we know that the warranty time is also very important for the business, right? So we have full confidence that our products can make you satisfied and also to make sure that you have no worry about the warranty time. Okay, and also my dear friend, please remember to follow us by clicking the follow button. It's upside your mobile phone. Okay, you can find there is a follow button there. It's upside your mobile phone, so please click the follow and then you can subscribe our channel. And so later when we have another live show, you can also join us and you can know more information about our products through the live show. Okay, so and also my dear friend, please give us a like at your right side Yeah, you can find there is a like button, a big thumb up. So please click it, and thanks very much for your support. Okay. So now let's get started to the products. Okay, to the machines. So you can see we have many different types of the fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah. So for the first type is a full enclosed type, and this one, yeah, the model PEF6060. So for this model, it has a 600 by 600 millimeters working area. And while you can see the second model PEF3015. So for this model, it has a bigger working area. So you can choose such as 3000 by 1500 millimeters, and some other working area based on your request. Yeah. And for the model PEF3015, so this model is a very hot selling model in our company. And this one is mainly cut for the flat surface, yeah, flat materials, yeah, for all kinds of metal materials, such as the stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, galvanized sheet, aluminum. Yeah, so for different thickness, such as 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeters, or 5 millimeters, or some other thick material. Okay, so for those, yeah, you can see, such as this one. This is a Perfect Laser. Yeah, this is our complete name. Well, this one is aluminum 2 millimeters. Yeah, aluminum 2 millimeters thickness. Yeah, the material thickness will be 2 millimeters. And also this is an aluminum material. Okay. Yeah, well, some other one, well, for this one is also an aluminum material, but this one is very soft. Yeah, it's a soft. So this is, and also for some, I would like to show you some thicker one. Well, for this one is very heavy. This is a carbon steel 12 millimeters. Wow, carbon steel 12 millimeters. So you can have a look. Yeah, this is a carbon steel 12 millimeters. Okay, and well, and also this one, well, it's a star. This one is carbon steel for 15 millimeters. Wow, very thick. Hello, my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Hello. Yeah, hello everybody. So you can see right now, this is the fiber laser marking machine. Yeah, fiber laser marking machine, fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, fiber laser cutting machine. Sorry. So this is a carbon steel 15 millimeters thickness. Wow, it's very thick, right? So you can see the cut. it cut like this kind of different shapes, different patterns, yeah, different design. And well, also for some high precision cutting. Well, you can see even the very small curves there, right? Very small curves, very small part. It's very tiny part. The fiber laser cutting machine, it also can have a very precise the cutting effect. Okay. Well, and also this kind of, well, you can see this different, it has many different shapes, different design, yeah, different patterns there. So the fiber laser cutting machine, it has a very good cutting effect. Yeah, and also this one, wow, this one is very nice. It's a big thumb up. Yeah, so you can also, hello Adam, hello everybody. Hello Adam, hello neighbor, hello everybody, welcome to our live show. So right now you can see this is the cutting samples. Yeah, cutting samples, some samples done by the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, but the fiber laser cutting machine, and also this is a carbon steel. Yeah, carbon steel material. Yeah, the thickness is around it's around 10 mm. It's around 8, I think 8, around 8 millimeters. Well, so you can see this one is 12 millimeters. Well, so this one around 10. Okay, around 10 millimeters. Hello Leslie, hello everybody, welcome to our live show. Okay, so right now you see this is all the yeah, some cutting samples by our fiber laser cutting machine. And also this one is another material. You can see this is a copper material with 3 millimeters thickness. Yeah. Yeah, copper material. Wow, and this one, wow, this one is very nice. Yeah, I like this one very much, even though it's very small, it's a very small part. Well, you can see for the feathers and also the eyes, well, each part, and the mouth, each part, it has a very clear, yeah, you can see it has a very clear. Yeah, it's very nice, right? Yeah, even you can see the mouth, yeah, and the eyes. Well, the very small part it has a very precise cutting effect. Okay, so so this all of those flat surface marking, yeah, flat marking, those flat marking. Hello, my dear friend. Yeah, welcome to our live show. Okay, so this is the model PEF 3015. Yeah, so this model it can cut for all of those flat surface cutting. And well, for the PEF 3015B, okay, so the third model, it can not only cut those flat surface, yeah, and also it can cut for some square or those round tubes, yeah, and also the square or the round tubes. Okay, so and also with different diameters. You can see this square one, this is big, this is smaller, right? For different diameters. And also this tube, yeah, also have a smaller diameter, and also those very big. Wow, this one is very big. It can hold my whole face in it. Yeah. So this is a very big diameters. Tubes cutting. Okay, so this is can be done by the PEF 3050B, and well, the next model. Whoa. Okay, so the last model, PEF 2060. So for this model, it's mainly used for cut those round, or the cylinder, or the square tube or pipes cutting. Okay, so this one is not for the flat surface market cutting. Okay. So this is the brief introduction for those 4 models. Okay, now let's take the model one by one in detail. Okay, so right now we can also have a look about some other cutting samples, right? And this Christmas tree, and some accessories, spare parts, yeah, and also some tools. And this one, well, it's very similar with this one, right? Yeah. So all of those different parts, yeah, different design, it can be cut by those fiber laser cutting machines. Okay. And then so you can see the all of those metal parts, yeah, metal industries related can be used for those fiber laser cutting machine. So such as some hardware, yeah, lamp, car, and mechanics, kitchen utensils, and some bodybuilding. So many different industries and fields can be used for this fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, hello Chai, hello my dear friend, welcome to our live show. Okay, so right now we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machine. So for the fiber laser cutting machine, it can widely used for all of those metal related industries or fields, yeah, such as the hardware, some hardware, lamp, car, mechanics, kitchen utensils, the bodybuilding, yeah, all of those metal parts. Okay, so right now I would like to introduce the first model, PEF6060. Okay, so we can see this one is a fully enclosed type, yeah, and everything is enclosed in this cabinet. And also, well, with this computer here, and also the keyboard, mouse, everything here, we can operate on this system directly. And also with the cutting software has already installed in this machine. Okay. Now this is the main configuration, yeah, main structure. We can have a look. The cutting head, yeah, all of those parts are enclosed inside of this cabinet. Yeah, you can find the cutting head inside of this box, and also the working platform, PC system. Okay, this is the PC system. And the double rack driver, so also on both sides of the working table. Okay, so right now please enjoy the working video of this machine. Yeah, let's have a look. How does this machine work? Okay. Well, you can see this software, this cutting software, it has a very simple indications, so we can, it will be very easy to operate. Yeah, this is a kind of flower, so this is which we are going to cut by this fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah, so through the observation window, we can see the cutting process through this observation windows. Hi, my dear friend, welcome to our live show. So right now you're watching the fiber laser marking machine, the working video of these small scale fiber laser cutting machines. So the working area will be 600 by 600 millimeters. Wow, so we can see at the last it's a very beautiful, yeah, lotus. Okay, yeah, I also have some flowers here. Well, you can see this is also cut by this fiber laser cutting machine. And after folding, we can fold this flower as this kind of style. Okay, just like a rose. Yeah, very beautiful, right? Very nice flower. Yeah, so and also rather this one is some kind of letters and numbers there. It's very similar with the one in my hand. Yeah, just like this kind of letters and numbers. Yeah, please watch the working video once again. So my dear friend, if you have some material you want to cut by this fiber laser cutting machine, and please tell us what your material you are going to cut, and then we can suggest the and you can also tell us the thickness about your materials, so we can suggest the suitable and the right power for you. Okay. So you can see all of those cutting, the cutting surface is very flat, very comfortable and very neat, it's very smooth, and also the surface is very smooth, and also the cutting edge, all of those edges, it's very has a very smooth cutting, and there's no burns. So it's gonna finish soon, okay, with some numbers and some letters there. Well, it has already finished, okay, so beautiful lotus and also another number and letters cutting. Okay, so this is the working video for this machine, PF6060. Okay, so this small sized fiber laser cutting machine is also widely applied for cutting the carbon steel, mild steel, galvanized sheet, and stainless steel, silicon steel, aluminum alloy, titanium, and galvanized sheet steel, pickling board, and many kinds of metal materials. Okay, so it's widely used, widely applied in the sheet metal processing, the aviation, the space flight, electronics, and hello my dear friend, hello everyone, welcome to our live show. So right just now you see the working video of the fiber laser cutting machine. We can see that it's widely for many different kinds of industries and fields, such as the space flight, electronics, and electrical appliances, and the subway parts, automobile, machinery, precise components, ships, and elevator, household appliances, gifts and the crafts, gifts such as this kind of, we can make it as a craft, right? It's very beautiful and a very specialized design. It's specialized flower. Okay, and also some tool processing, adornment, advertising, metal forming processing, so various manufacturing processing industries. Okay. Now this is the cutting thickness for your reference. Okay, so take example for 10 for the 1000. Okay, 1000. Hello everybody, welcome to our live show. Okay, so for 1000 watts laser power, 1000 watts, it can and the cut. Hello, yeah. So for carbon steel, it can reach to 10 millimeters. Okay, 10 millimeters carbon steel. Okay, so just like this one, the carbon steel. Hello, my dear friend, thanks for your following. Thanks very much. Okay, yeah, this is a carbon steel, so this is 12 millimeters. Okay, 12 millimeters thickness. So for this 12 millimeters thickness carbon steel, it's better to use 1500 watts laser power to cut it. Okay. Okay, and so for the stainless steel, aluminum alloy, okay, the thickness for 1000 watts power laser power, it can cut the thickness for 5 millimeters. Hi Ray, hello. Hello, welcome to our live show. Okay. And for example, 1500 watts laser power, yeah, just now we show you the carbon steel, the maximum cutting thickness will be 16 millimeters, yeah. And also for the stainless steel, aluminum alloy will be 6 millimeters, yeah. Well, for 2000 watts laser power, the cutting thickness can reach to 20 millimeters. Wow, that will be very thick. Okay, so for the bigger laser power, it can cut the thicker material. Okay. And this is the cutting speed. Yeah, cutting speed with different thickness and also with different gas. Yeah, different auxiliary gas. For example, 1000 watts laser power for stainless steel, 1 millimeters. Yeah, 1 millimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter thickness. For nitrogen will be 17 to 21 meters per minute. Okay. Yeah, very fast speed in fact. Okay, very fast speed. Okay, so now let's take a look about some details of this machine. Yeah, first one is the fiber laser source. Okay, for those fiber laser cutting machine, yeah. Hi, Cruz. Hello, welcome to our live show. Okay, so right now we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machines. Yeah, and now let's take a look about the details of this machine. Yeah, the first one is the laser source. For all of those laser cutting machines, laser source is one of the important part of this whole machine. So for the laser source, we adopt the well-known brand such as Ricus, yeah, IPG, and also Max, to make sure the long-term using of this machine, and also make sure the very good quality of the cutting effect. Okay. Number two, the laser cutting head. Okay, for the laser cutting head, also we use the imported fiber laser cutting head, and also it has a very smart, dynamic autofocus function. Okay, so that it will keep a certain distance between the cutting head and the cutting surface. And and also automatically adjust the distance between the cutting head and the cutting surface. Okay. Hi, Abel. Hello, welcome. And the working platform. Okay. So for this model PF6060, the working area will be 600 by 600 millimeters. Okay. And number 4, the cutting observation window. Okay, since this model is a full enclosed type, yeah. Hello, hi everybody, welcome. Yeah, so that it will be very safe for the operators, and also it will be very environmentally friendly. Okay, so during the working process, the door will be closed, and we can detect the working process through the observation window. And also we can, through this observation window, we can see the working process exactly. Okay. So number 5, the PC control system. Okay, so we can see that this machine also has the PC system together with the machine, so it will be very convenient for you to use. Okay. Hi, Effie. Hello. Hello. Thanks for greeting. Okay. Yeah, and for this model, so we can see we have already installed the cutting software inside of this PC system, so that with the mouse, with the keyboard, everything's ready there, so we can operate on the software directly and also to control the machine's working. Okay. And number 6, this is the servo motor. Okay, servo motor. So all those movement, request those servo motors. Okay, and also to keep a very high, extreme, precise positioning. Okay, and also make sure the movement will be operate smoothly, yeah, and reliable. Hello, yeah, welcome. And also there is a double rack, yeah, beside 2 sides of this working head, yeah, working table. Okay, working table. So that it will make sure the cutting precision and cutting accuracy. Also make sure make sure the fast speed, yeah, fast cutting speed. Okay. Number 8, this is the control system. Okay, this is a NC Studio control system. It has a very powerful edit function and also can meet a wide range of cutting requests. Okay. Well, this is number 9. This is a collector. Okay, just like a drawer, so that it will collect the metal pieces. Yeah. Since during the working process, there will be some metal pieces after cutting. So with this collector, it will collect all those metal pieces directly and automatically. So it will be very convenient and it's very convenient to collect and to pull it out. Number 10, this is the water chiller. Okay, so this water cooling machine, this is an extra part of this machine. So since during the working process, the water chiller, it will help to release the heat, yeah, release and exhaust the and dissipate the heat during the working process. And while with the water inside of this machine, yeah, it also can cool in the machine. Yeah, it can cool in the machine, make sure the machine works in a certain temperature, and also to make sure the cutting accuracy and also the cutting status. The machines, and make sure the machine works in a very good status and conditions. Okay. So, my dear friend, this is the brief introduction about the first model PEF6060. So, if you are interested in this kind of machine, please feel free to tell me, okay, and we can have a discussion together. Okay, so hello colors. Okay, so if you are interested in the fiber laser cutting machine, yeah, if you are in need of those cutting requirements, yeah, if you are in need of those cutting requests for all kinds of metal products, so please tell us, yeah. And if you contact us in today's live show later, when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. And while if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. Okay, so this is a very good chance for all of you. Okay, and what's more, in today's live show, I can provide you a longer warranty time. So, hello, welcome, Angel. Yeah, hello. So that, and also I can provide you a 24 months warranty time during this during the if you place order in the live show. Okay, so this is the brief introduction for the first model PEF6060. Okay, neighbor, hello, welcome all of you. And there's a long name. How to spell your name? Dialogue. Okay, hello everybody, welcome to our live show. So this is the brief introduction for first model PEF6060. Okay, and then I would like to introduce the second model for you, the second model PEF3015. Okay, so for this model, it has a bigger working area. Okay, now let's take a look. Well, you can see, and also this machine is mainly composed by two parts. One is the control cabinet, yeah, control system, and another one is the machine body. So with a working table, with a cutting head, and the movement system. Okay. So this for this machine, the working area will be 3,000 by 1,500. Yeah, and also some other working area you can choose. For example, 2,500 by 1,500. Okay. Now you can see this part is the main control cabinet. Yeah, the left part, and the right part is the machine body with a laser optical bridge, and also the laser cutting head, and with a very convenient material feeding wheels. Okay, material with on those, yeah, on the sides, yeah, both sides of the machine has many wheels there, so it will be convenient and very easy for the materials feeding. Okay, now everybody please enjoy the working video for this model. Okay, so you can have an overview of this machine, and also you can know how does this machine work exactly. So my dear friend, please, yeah, remember to follow us by clicking the follow button there. In upside your mobile phone, you can find there is a follow button. Okay, follow. Please click it and subscribe our channel. Wow, this is the follow button. Can see? Yeah, so please click it and so that you can find us very easily next time. Hi, Sad. Hello, my dear friend. welcome. So right now you can see this is the fiber laser cutting machine. Hello Barry, thanks very much for your message. Okay, I want to get your catalog. No problem, we will send you in time. Hello Barry, thanks very much for your Chinese friend, CN. Right? China. Cruz. Hello my dear friend, welcome to our live show. So right now you see this is the working video of one of our fiber laser cutting machine, the model PF3015. Okay, well you can see it has a very precise cutting. For very small, very tiny part, it has a very accurate cutting. Martin, hello my dear friend, welcome to our live show. So right now you see this is the working video of one of our fiber laser cutting machine. So the fiber laser cutting machine, it can cut for all kinds of metal materials such as the stainless steel, galvanized sheet, carbon steel, stainless steel, copper and aluminum, and all of those metal materials with different thickness. Wow, this is just like a fish, and I know, as I know, this is used for open the cover of the beer. Can you imagine for that? It's a tool, a small tool for open the cover, bottle cover. Well, right now it's going to cut for some, some letters. This is a perfect laser. Am I right? Yes. So this one is an aluminum material, and I think the video since stainless steel or the same one. Hello Michael, my dear friend, welcome to our live show. So my dear friend, right now we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah, so you can see this fiber laser cutting machine, it can cut for all kinds of metal materials. Yeah. Hello Mohan. This is a fiber laser cutting machine, my dear friend. Google user. Wow, so many friends. Welcome to our live show. Yeah, this is the Mustafa. Hello, welcome. So if you have any of your cutting requirements, you can tell us, and then you can tell us what material and how about the thickness you want to cut, so that we can suggest the suitable type, suitable machine, and with the suitable power for you. Okay. Yeah, this one I also have the similar one. Yeah, just like this one with circles and some other design. and the star, and the very little curves. Well, this is the very similar one in my with the one in my hand. Perfect laser. Okay. Hi, KJ. Hello, welcome to our live show. So right now you see this is the fiber laser cutting machines working video of our model PEF 3015. So the fiber laser cutting machine, it can works for all kinds of metal materials for different thickness. Yeah, so such as the stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, galvanized sheet, copper, yeah, and zinc. All of those metal materials can be cut by this fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah, perfect laser. I also have this one in my hand. Okay, so this is the working video for this model. Let's go on. And let's take a look about the details. Do you have an enclosed machine? You mean enclosed one? Just now I have introduced the first model is an enclosed type. Yeah, this one is an enclosed 6K. 6K, what do you mean 6K? 6K, you mean the laser power? Yeah, this model is an enclosed 5 to 10. This one, the working area will be 600 by 600. Let me play the working video for you okay? Yeah, this model is an enclosed one. Well, with the PC system, yeah, with the PC system. Yesterday, the larger model. Yesterday, so yes, the larger model. So enclosed one, this is the enclosed model right now. Not yesterday. So this model, the working area, you can choose 600 by 600, or 600 by 400, or 400 by 400. So do you like this one? Yes, fiber laser. Yes, you're right. Fiber laser. So this is the working video, and also you can see the. Hello, welcome, my dear friend. Welcome. So this is the main. You can see the main configuration of this model. Everything should be a large switch out table. 5 to 1, 5" by 1 by 10. Long. So right now, the main models here, the enclosed one. But if you need the enclosed one, it can I think cannot be too large. Five 5,000. Okay. K means feet. How many? So how many millimeters do you know? How much for the millimeters? 5. Inch. Oh, so so this model, yeah, about yeah, you can choose 1,500 by 2,500 millimeters, but this one, maybe we can make it enclosed, yeah, plus another cover, but I need to check for that. Yeah, so this one is the PF3015. This model we can make it for, yeah, so this one we can make it for the for this working area. Yeah, but if you want to make it enclosed, I need to check whether can we add enclosed cover for this model. So this model, yeah, this model working area can be 3,000 by 1,500 or 2,500 by 1,500. Okay, the different working area we can choose. So you need this one to be enclosed. 1.5 by 3 meters. Yes, that's right. Yeah, this model, the working area will be okay. Okay, Jay, thanks very much for your message. Okay, hope we can keep contact. Okay, so later we also can have a detailed discussion. Okay, and right now I would like to introduce you with the detailed structure for this machine. Okay. Yeah, after the video play. Switch out table. Okay, so we will check that and send you detailed information. Switch out table. So the table is not enclosed, right? Thank you very much, KG. Thank you very much for your message. Okay. Yeah, so after that, you can see this is the perfect laser cutting. So right now, this one in my hand, it's a aluminum 2 millimeters thickness. Yeah. Hi everybody, hello. Q smart. Hello everybody, welcome to our live show. Okay, so could you please click the follow button there? It's upside your mobile phone. Please click it and then you can find us very easily next time for more live shows and more introduction about our different machines. Okay, so this is the working video for this model PF 3015. Yeah, just now we mentioned that working area we can choose for 3000 by 1500 millimeters, or yeah, 2500 by 1500 millimeters. Okay, and then now let's take a look about the machine itself, the details of this machine. Okay, so first for the machine body, yeah, we choose the 100 by 100 by 6 millimeters thick, the square metal tube. So it will be very stable and it has a very heavy and very strong capacity, and even it will not get distorted and even using for a very long time. Okay, so this is the machine body. Okay, and the number 2, the Switzerland imported laser cutting head. So for this laser cutting head, it has a very smart, automatic, dynamic focusing function. Okay, so for example, sometimes the whole plate, it will be not very flat. Yeah, for some part it may be uneven, so that the hello Paul, welcome to our live show. Yeah, we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, and then the fiber laser the cutting head, well, it will automatically adjust the distance between the cutting head and the surface automatically, or up or down. Yeah, so that it will protect the cutting head, and also it will make a very high precision and high accuracy of the cutting result. Okay, so this is a very smart and very intelligent, very good design for this laser cutting head. Okay, so that it can automatically track the surface of the plate. Yeah, track the surface. So this is the dynamic focusing function for this laser cutting head. Okay, and the laser source for all of our fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah, we choose the Rikas IPG or Max. Yeah, those well-known brand laser source, so that it will make sure the high quality and the make sure the machine will works for a long time. Yeah, make sure the long lifespan of the machine. Okay, so and this is the laser source. Okay, and number 4, the sawtooth type working table. Okay, you can see this working table just like some sawtooth. Yeah, so this working table, it will be very stable and very and also it has a very heavy loading. Okay, and the servo motor. Okay, so the servo motor, we also use the Japan Panasonic servo motor. Okay, so you can see it can increase the cutting speed and the cutting stability. So the positioning accuracy will be approximately 0.05 millimeter, and the moving speed, maximum moving speed, will be 90 meters per minute. Okay, the maximum effective cutting range will be 3,000 millimeters by 1,500 millimeters. Okay. Yeah, this is the servo motor, and then the linear guide rail. This guide rail also it's a very good quality from Taiwan, the Heiwin linear guide rail. So it will make sure the cutting head move through this linear guide rail smoothly. Yeah, and then to make sure the cutting accuracy and the cutting precision at the same time. Okay. Ahmed. Whoa, hello my dear friend. Hello everybody, welcome to our live show. Okay, and now this one, number 7, you can see this is a auto fading design. There are few design like a ball. Yeah, it's a round ball design, so that it will be easy for the materials feeding. Okay, and also it will not scratch the surface of the material. Okay, so this is a very reasonable design. And number 8, this is a separate controlling cabinet. Yeah, so for the this control cabinet, this is a very professional industrial PC control system. Okay, and we have already installed the cutting software inside of this machine, and also we will set all the parameters well, so that our customers, when you receive it, you can use it directly. Yeah, and also the for the software, it's very easy to operate, and also we will offer you the training video. Okay, how to use the machine, how to use the software, and also we will offer you the full instructions So to make together with the machine, so that to make sure you can use it and you can learn how to use it in a very short time when you receive the machine. Okay. Hello. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. Yeah, number 9. This is a powerful water cooling machine. It's also another separated part. It's a water chiller. Yeah, and it will cool in the machine and it will release the heat. Yeah, so during the machine's working process, and it will keep a certain temperature for the machine, and to ensure the machine works in a very stable, in a very comfortable status and conditions, and then make sure it can work for a long time. Okay, this is the powerful water cooling machine. Okay, and number 10, this is the DSP control panel. So with this one, it's remote control, so we can take it in front of the machine or backwards of the machine, and at the right or the left or right side of the machine to operate this machine. Yeah, and so that it will be very easy for us to adjust the start position or the working area, the working location. Yeah, it's very easily. Yeah, this is the DSP controller. Okay, remote controller. Well, so that's the main and also detailed introduction for this model. Okay, so this is the second model. Okay, so my dear friend, thanks very much for your watching. And so today in today's live show, I've prepared some discount for you. So if you contact us today and later when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. And if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a $50 discount. And what's more, in today's live show, I can also provide you a 24 months warranty time. Okay, so normally 12 months, and only in live show, this is a very good chance for all of you. So the 24 months warranty time, that will be absolutely 2 years, right? Absolutely 2 years. It's really a long time. So because we have fully confidence that our machine can make you satisfied, and also to make sure that you have no worry about the warranty time. Okay, so everybody, that's the second model introduction, okay, about the PF3015. And so right now I would like to introduce the third model for you. Wow, this model, so just now the PF3015, right? This model is mainly for the surface, flat surface cutting, okay? So right now this model PF3015B, it can not only cut all those flat surface, yeah, and also for the round or the square, yes, for the round or the square tubes. Okay, let me show you some samples here. Yeah, for all of those flat surface cutting, and also for those round. Yeah, this round also with different diameters for those smaller one or those very big diameter. You can see this one, wow, very big, right? For those round, yeah, tubes or pipes cutting, and also for for those square, yeah, the square tubes, pipes. Okay, so right now this model, it can not only cut for the flat and also for those round or some square tubes. Okay, the controller structure also, the structure will be almost the same with the PF3015. Only the different part will be those rotary cutting system. Okay, this rotary cutting system. Yeah, you can see this is the control system and the cutting head, also with the DSP remote controller. And also, well, right now, I would like to share the working video for this model for you. So right now you can see this rotary part. How does it work? Hello, Adam. Hello, welcome to our live show. So right now this is well, this part, the rotary part, yeah, just like this one. Smaller diameter right now. Yeah, wow, this one, big one. I also have this big one. Oh, well, we can see it has a very fast cutting speed, right? For such a big diameters tube. Well, you can make it turn around and cut. So this model, you can see, it can not only cut for those flat surface, and also for those round or some square tubes cutting. Okay, for those plain or some round or square tubes cutting. Yeah. So this is the PF 3015B. Okay. Well, this is some other cutting samples. You can have a look. Yeah. Now the details. In fact, it has a very similar details with PF 3015. Yeah, the same laser source, Raycus, RPG Max, yeah, all those insured brand to make sure the long-term using of the machine and also make sure the high quality. Well, we can see it has a 100,000 hours working life. And also without the extra maintenance cost. It's very economic. Number two, the laser cutting head. Yeah, since you can see for those round, yeah, those surface, those since it's not a plain surface, so the cutting head, it will automatically track the surface. And also adjust the distance between the cutting head and the cutting objects. Yeah, so this dynamic focusing system, it can cut automatically with a very high sensitivity and a good stability. Okay, so this is the cutting head, and the same, yeah, servo motor, also the Panasonic servo motor. Okay, with a very high accuracy, and you can see the maximum moving speed can reach to 9 meters per minute. Okay, and make sure there is no noise. Yeah, greatly improve the cutting speed and the stability. Okay, wow, number 4, this is the rotary cutting system. So the standard cutting diameter will be 150 by 6 meters length. Okay, so 150 millimeters by 6 meters length. Whoa. And also, yeah, it can be customized according to your requirement. Yeah, LCD controller. Hi, my dear friend, your long name. Welcome, okay? So you can see this LCD controller with a control panel, and it will be very easy to operate. And the software, yeah, this is the cutting software. Well, and also the same DSP remote controller. Okay, so with a remote controller, you can see we can take it. You can see that this is our engineer. Okay, you can operate in front of the machine, and also clearly check the position of the cutting head. Okay, and then operate the machine easily. The same auto-feeding ball design, the same one with the PF3015, right? So it's a rolling design, so it will be very easy to feed the materials and from all directions. Well, this one is an auto lubricating device. So all the gear rack, yeah, can be automatically lubricated, so that to make sure the movement smoothly. Yeah. So and also make sure the cutting accuracy and the cutting precision. Well, at last, this is the water chiller. Yeah, the same one with the PF3015. Okay. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. Yeah, you can see. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. Since you have a very long name, it's very hard to spell. Okay. So you can see this water chiller, and it will keep the machine working in a very stable and very certain temperature, so that make sure it will works with a very comfortable conditions. Well, so now let's take a look about this machine's features. Number 1, it has a very high quality laser beam, since and the fiber laser has smaller focus diameter and high working efficiency, high accuracy, and a high cutting quality. Okay, number 2, the cutting speed. The cutting speed is more than 60 meters per minute. Well, 60 minutes. Stable running. Yeah. Hi, my dear friend. Welcome. Yeah, with the Raycus IPG Max, well, and the Mopa, those brand laser source, so it will make sure the stable performance. Yeah, and you can see the lifetime can reach to 100,000 hours. Wow. And also the high efficiency for the photoelectric conversion rate. Well, 3 times of the CO2 laser cutting machine. And what's more, it has a very low cost. Yeah. So will be only 20 to 30% of traditional CO2 laser cutting machine for the power consumption, okay? And number 6 is free of maintenance. You can see it's no need the reflector lens, yeah, no need any mirrors. Yeah. So it will save the maintenance cost, okay? Number 7, easy to operate. Yeah, no need to adjust the optical path, so it will be very easy to operate. Super flexible optical effects, compact design, comply with flexible production requirements. Okay, so my dear friend, this is the 3rd model introduction, PEF 3015B. So this model, it can not only cut the plain products, yeah, and also some round or square tubes or pipes, cylinder cutting. It's very powerful. So my dear friend, if you are interested in this kind of machine, please tell us in time. And also in today's live show, if you contact us later, when you place order over $7,000, you can enjoy a $100 discount. And while if you place order over $3,000, you can enjoy a you can enjoy a $50 discount. Okay. And what's more, today in today's live show, I can provide you a 24 months warranty time. Hello, my dear friend, welcome. Okay, so 24 months warranty time in today's live show. That will be absolutely 2 years. Okay, that's very good, right? It's a very good chance. So till now, I have introduced those 3 models. And the last one, I will introduce this model, PEF 2060, okay, or PEF 3080. So the same machine with different working area. Well, so for this model, it's mainly used for cut the tubes. So it's mainly used for cut the tubes. So this model not for the plain cutting, okay, not for plain cutting. Okay, so we can take a look about the introduction of the main configuration. You can see this is the control cabinet, yeah, control system. Well, this is this part with a rotary fixture head, yeah, and a laser cutting head. This is some cutting samples. Well, you can see different diameters, yeah, square for square, or the cylinder or the round. Okay. Now let's share the working video for you. So yeah, this is the working video. You can see with the rotary fixture there, it will turn around, yeah. Wow, so with this remote controller, we can start or pause. It's very easy to operate, right? Very convenient. Yeah, right now this is the square tubes, square pipes cutting. Yeah, so you can see with different diameters, well, even a very big one, and different square, different diameters square, cutting. Okay. Hello, Dika. Hello, my dear friend. Right now, you're watching the fiber laser cutting machines live show. This model right now you are watching is pipes, mainly for pipes for some square or the round tubes cutting. Okay. Hello, Silver. Paxter. Hello, my dear friend, welcome. Okay, so you can see this rotary part, rotary with the rotary fixture there, it can cut all different diameters, square or some round cylinders products cutting. Yeah. With different diameters, okay, thin, a big or small. Okay, so this is the working video for this machine. Now, also take a look about the details of this model. Well, we can see the first one, yeah, the heavy machine body. So this machine, hello Vivian, hello. So this is iron casting heavy machine body, and so it will be very strong and stable. And with a very heavy loading capacity and will not get distorted for a long time using. Okay, the laser source, okay, all of our fiber laser cutting machine will use the same laser source, such as Raycus IPG Max, to make sure the high quality and the high stability, high performance of the machine, okay. And also this laser source is free of maintenance, yeah. Yeah, this one is the rotary fixture, okay? So it can fix the square or some round tubes tightly, and feed it for cutting. And the same Switzerland imported laser cutting head, okay? Also with the dynamic focusing and tracking, dynamic surface tracking function. Number 6, this is the red light pointer, okay? So for all of those laser machines, it has the laser, it has the red light pointer to indicate the location of the laser path, yeah. So we can see the start position or the working area exactly. Yeah, DSP controller, remote controller. So just now you see from the video, right? How does the operator, the engineers operate with the DSP controller? So you can see it has the start and pause, and then the directions up, down, left, right. The directions indications there, so we can press it easily. Okay, so everybody, now I would like to share the cutting diameter comparison for you. Just now I have introduced our model PF3015B and also PF2060. These two models both of them can support the round or the cylinders and the square tubes or pipes cutting. While for PF3015B model, do you still remember? It can not only for cutting the round or square tubes, and also this model can support the plane surface, plane cutting, plane plate or plane board cutting. Okay. Well, for the chuck diameter, just now you see this rotary part, there is a chuck. So for the chuck diameter, if we choose 160 millimeters, then it can support the square pipes for 130 to 140 millimeters square pipe, and the round pipe we can choose 160 millimeters. Yes, and if we choose 220 millimeters chuck, the diameter, so it can support the square pipe for 200 millimeters, and for the round pipe, 220 millimeters round pipe can be supported. Hi, Will. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome. And for 350, chuck, this chuck diameter, this very big one, right? 350 millimeters. So this one is not available for PF3015B. Okay, it's only can be done by PF2060. So for the chuck, so the square pipe, it can be 330 by 340 millimeters. While for the round pipe, also 350 and 50 millimeters. Okay. Hello, Louis. Welcome. Okay, so this is the chuck diameter comparison for your reference. Okay. Well, now let's take a look about the machine operation cost. Okay, this is what we are concerned to so much, right? Because it's related to the money. Okay, so now we can see since this machine works with another auxiliary gas, normally we can choose air and oxygen 2, nitrogen 2. So for the air cutting, total cost will be $4 per hour. Yeah, Mohammed, hello. And for the oxygen 2 cutting, the total cost will be $3 per hour. And while for the thanks for your inquiry. Hello, my dear friend. Thank you. And for the nitrogen 2 cutting, you can see the total cost will be $7 per hour. So my dear friend, we can see that for the oxygen, oxygen cutting will be economical, while for the nitrogen cutting, it will cost a little more. Well, now let's take a look about the cutting result. For example, you can see the left one is the oxygen cutting sample. While for the nitrogen cutting sample, you can see it will be very shiny and sparkling. The cutting after the cutting, you can see the cutting surface. Well, it will be very shiny and sparkling, very beautiful, very nice. While for the oxygen cutting, the color will be a little dull, and it's not as shiny as the nitrogen cutting sample. So, my dear friend, if you if you are only doing some tests or you cut for some samples, you can choose the oxygen cutting. Well, if you want a higher and a good and better cutting effect, it's better choose the nitrogen cutting for nitrogen gas for the cutting. Okay. Hi, I'm Almat. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our live show. So today we are discussing about the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay. So right now, this is the gas, cost, and the comparison. Okay. Now, for the after-sales service, normally our warranty time is 12 months. While in today's live show, I can provide you a 24 months warranty time. Okay. So if you during the warranty period, if you are in need any of your any request for all the such as installation and the operation and adjustment, and the maintenance, everything, any of those questions, you can contact us anytime. So we will help you to solve the problem in time. Okay, immediately. Okay, and also we will offer you the updating the software, cutting software during the warranty period. Okay. And as you know, all of our machines and all have a very strict quality control system. Okay, you can see all of our machines have a 48 hours running test and a 72 hours aging test. Okay, to make sure that our machine, when all of our customers receive it, the machine can work in a very good status and the conditions. Okay. So there are some customers from different countries and areas. Okay. So this is the four. Okay, and as you know, all of the machines got the CE ISO rules and all those certificates. And right now, I would like to share some of our certificates for you. For example, this is the CE certificate. Okay. Yeah, the CE certificate. And also the role certificate for you to have a look. Yeah, and also this is our role certificate. So it means that our products comply with the European standard. So it's really very safe to buy from us. And also this is a golden supplier certificate. This one is verified by the SGS company. So as we know that SGS is a well-known international inspection institute. So through the SGS verified, it's really very safe and no worry to buy from us. Okay, and except that, you can see our machines also have many other different certificates to prove that our machines really have a very good quality. Okay, so hello everybody, welcome to our live show. So till now, I have already finished those 4 models introduction. Yeah. So as we can see, this first model, PF6060 model, it's a fully enclosed model. So the working area will be 600 by 600 millimeters. Okay. Hello everybody, welcome. And so number 2, the model PF3015. So for this model, it has a bigger working area, such as 3000 by 1500 millimeters. Okay. And this one is mainly used for cut the plane and the flat surface. Okay, for the plane plate, or the flat board. Okay, and well, for the PEF 3015B model, it cannot only cut for those plain plate, flat products, and also for the round, a cylinder, or the square tubes or pipes cutting. And also number 4th model, a PF2060 model or PF3080 model. For this model, it cannot only this model is mainly used for cut this round or the square tubes or pipes. Hello, my dear friend. Hello, welcome to our live show. So today I've already finished those 4 models fiber laser cutting machines. So if you are still want to know more information about us, so please remember to click the follow button. Yeah, it's upside your mobile phone, okay? So you can subscribe our channel so that you will not miss our live show next time. And we will in the future we will introduce the more models and more machines, yeah, for you, okay? And so, do you still have some questions or any message you want to tell me about these 4 models and the fiber laser cutting machine? So the fiber laser cutting machine, it's used for cutting all kinds of metal materials, yeah, including carbon steel, mild steel, galvanized sheet, copper, zinc, brass, etc. All kinds of metal materials. So if you are interested in this kind of machine, so please remember to contact us anytime, okay? And we will respond to you very soon, immediately. So all the time, anytime, we are online and we are waiting for your questions, waiting for your inquiries, and any of your message, okay? Hello, my dear friend, welcome. So in fact, till now our live show is more or less drawing to the end, okay? So please click the follow button there. It's upside your mobile phone. Please click the follow button there. So I'm sure we will meet you. We will meet soon, okay? So much for today, okay, my dear friend. It's time to say goodbye now. If you are still want to watch more live show, please remember to click the follow button there. Please click the follow button there, okay? So that you will find us very easily and for more live shows, okay? So much for today, my dear friend. I hope to see you soon, okay? Goodbye, bye-bye.